Hi and welcome to our channel. In today's video we discuss how you can budget your money to achieve financial freedom. As we know, budgeting is the act of making a plan for how to use your money effectively and efficiently. It helps you to monitor your finances according to your personal goals and objectives. It also helps you to manage your debt, credit, savings, and much more. Financial freedom is the state of being able to live comfortably without worrying about money. It means having enough income to cover your expenses, save for your goals, and enjoy your life. But financial freedom is not necessarily about being rich or having a lot of money, but rather about being in control of your money and making smart decisions with it, so you can have the time to follow your passions or dreams and live your best life. One of the most important steps to achieving this is budgeting. So by having a good plan, you will be able to achieve the freedom we all desire. Budgeting is not easy and does require some time and effort. So here are some ways you can create a budget that will help you on the road to financial freedom. 1. Gather your financial information. This is important so that you can successfully manage your money spending habits. You can also use online tools or apps to help you track your transactions and categorize them. 2. Calculate your overall income. Add up all the money you receive from your salary, wages, or any other sources. This is called your gross income. Next, subtract any taxes or any other form of deductions from your gross income. This is called your net income, which is the amount of money you have left after taxes and deductions. This gives you a clearer view of how much money you make. 3. Calculate your expenses. Add up all the money you spend on your needs and wants. Your needs are the essential expenses that you have to pay for your survival and well-being, such as rent or mortgage, food, healthcare, insurance, and more. Your wants are the optional expenses that you spend on enjoyment, such as entertainment, dining out, gifts, or more. You should divide your expenses into different categories. This helps to track your overall spending habits. Number 4. Compare and contrast your income and expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This is your net cash flow, or the amount of money you have left over at the end of the month. If your net cash flow is positive, it means you are spending less than you earn and you have money to save or invest. If your net cash flow is negative, it means you are spending more than you earn and you are accumulating debt or depleting your savings. Lastly, review and update your budget. A budget is not a one-time thing, but a plan that you need to review and update regularly. So check your budget normally to see if you are sticking to it and if it reflects your current situation and goals. Adjust your budget if there are changes in your income, expenses, or goals. This will help you stay on top of your finances. To conclude, budgeting is a powerful tool that will help you achieve financial freedom and improve your quality of life. By following a simple budget, you can live within your means and easily achieve your goals. Budgeting is not about depriving yourself of the things you love, but rather about making conscious and intentional choices with your money. This is how you can create a life that is not only financially free, but also rich in meaning and happiness. How important is financial freedom to you? Let us know in the comments section below. And if this video has helped you learn something new, feel free to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks and see you in the next video.